Regulators checked, comms clear, ready for deployment.
Affirmative, lead. Crane is swinging out now.
Regs clear, pressure check nominal, comms check.
Loud and clear, harness secure. Let's go to work. Utilizing specialized archaeological equipment, the team began the arduous task of recovering the remains, maintaining the utmost respect and care.
All right, take it up slow. Watch the rear shackles. Copy that, lifting steady.
The structural integrity here is completely compromised by the rust. Yes, we need to document the subsurface corrosion thoroughly.
The structural integrity of this chassis rail is gone. See the depth here.
Confirmed. We're looking at extensive restoration just for the suspension components.
A little to the left, steady now.
Okay, hold it there. We're locking the binders.
Okay, bring it straight back another 2 feet.
Got it. Watch the alignment on the passenger side.
The structural integrity is compromised here. We need to prioritize the chassis. And the interior mold is extensive. This is definitely a frame-off restoration project.
Make sure you get a detailed shot of this stress point.
Got it. The corrosion depth is significant right here. We've got clearance from the frame. All right, bring it up another foot and swing it toward the stand. We should focus on the engine block first before moving to the suspension arms. Agreed. The rust on these fasteners is worse than expected. I've updated the inventory for the turbo unit. See how far the rust has spread into the floor section. We have to cut all of this out.
And the structural integrity of the door opening. How are the measurements looking?
It's compromised. We'll need new metal here.
We have significant perforation here at the structural seam. Yes, the cut line needs to be extended past this reinforcement zone. Okay, pull it clear. Yeah.
Wow, look at that corrosion along the seams.
Yeah, grab the wire brush. We need to see how deep this goes before we can measure for the new metal.
That curve looks perfect. Yes, the measurements match the factory specs. This trim piece is completely shot. We'll need a replacement. Make a note. Priority is getting the engine rebuilt this week. Readings on the journals are well within tolerance. Piston skirt diameters check out perfectly, ready for assembly.
Torque looks good here.
All right, let's double check the alignment before we mount it.
Look at the depth on this panel. Absolutely flawless.
Agreed. The reflection is perfect, passes the swirl test.
Check the edges here.
Looks perfect, ready for install.
Secure that connector before I route the main branch. Got it. The green one clicks in right here.
Okay, hold it right there.
The alignment looks factory perfect on this side.
Let's torque the hinges and check the swing.
Okay, easy now, watch the corner.
Got it. Looks aligned on this side.
Hand me the driver, let's secure the top bolts. Torque these down to factory specs. Already done. The routing looks spot on.
Bank angle is set.
Readings are green across the board. Perfect calibration.
Oil pressure nominal. How are the temps? Everything green across the board. Great job.